again for our Petit Vour Plus unboxing. Full disclosure, it is now January. I did receive this in December, but life, and all of the pressures of my life, and I didn't do it. So I'm doing it now. You guys know how this goes. We're going to talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like, and then we're going to unbox this month's box. Then we're going to talk pricing. Excuse my appearance. I recently showered and have not done my makeup or anything, and I'm just kind of doing a lot of editing today. So last month we got the Belle Pierre 24K Gold Brightening Serum. I used it. I thought it was good. I didn't have any qualms either way. I don't think I would necessarily buy it again because it didn't like wow me. I wasn't like, whoa, this is amazing. But it wasn't bad. It didn't do anything bad. I just didn't notice anything great about it. I got the I Done Minerals mascara. I've had this before. It was the one that's really interesting because like the mascara kind of coats the shaft of the eyelash, and then when you remove your makeup, it comes out almost like a tube. It's so crazy. I thought it was a good mascara. It is not my favorite mascara, but I do like it. The 100%, we got 3 things from 100% Pure last month. We got the hair detangler, which I loved. I didn't use it on myself, but I did use it on my daughter, and she loved it. So I probably actually will buy that again because it worked really well and she enjoyed it. The 100% Pure Coffee Bean Caffeine Eye Cream. You guys know how I feel about eye cream. I don't really notice any difference. I used it all month. It was fine. I didn't notice anything crazy, so I probably wouldn't purchase again myself. And then the 100% Pure Caffeine Sheet Mask. They were really pushing the caffeine. I thought it was good. I mean, it was a sheet mask. So I love my masks. I've never had a mask that I hated, so I would buy that again too. All right, now let's take it down and unbox this month's box. Happy Mail Day! And there's all that information. Oh, what do we have? What do we have? Heavy. Oh, it's Upcircle again. It's a night cream with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. I'll have to open this up, but pro retinol and rosehip oil. I do like rosehip oil. And I love Upcycle's like packaging. Like it's very, like their packaging is very minimalistic. It's not crazy, which I do like fancy things like that look, they pop. But what I'm talking about is I really like these. Like it's glass. It's glass and it has a metal lid. I really enjoy that. I want as less plastic as possible. So I'm very interested to try this. And the cool thing about these is you can reuse these or they're recyclable, you know? Oh, they got me another mascara. It's the Eye of Horus. Now, I've tried this before. I've tried this brand earlier this year, I believe, and I did like it. Not as much as the Talk Beauty one, but this one is also really good. Let me open it up. So yeah, the interesting thing about this is, if it'll focus, maybe. The wand itself is very, it's curved. It will not focus. But yeah, I think that's interesting. I forgot to show the ingredients. There we go. There we go. And for this one, I always forget to show the ingredients. Okay. And then we've got, oh no, Antonym again. I did not like the last Antonym product I got. So say Nana. This is a liquid lipstick, by the way. Now, the color is not awful. I don't know if it would suit me. I will have to give it a try and report back. It's just normally when I go for a lipstick, I'm going for something red I do have some that are not red, but they're either like a very, they're very close to my natural skin tone, so. And then we have Belle Pierre. Oh no. I've had this before. The Belle Pierre Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. So we actually had this earlier this year, and I was very excited about it because I love the orange. But when I used it, it was very muted, and it was not my cup of tea. I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, and I would choose all of them over this palette because it's just not pigmented enough for my liking. Right, so that was a very exciting box. 4 products, full size products too, which is awesome. We're going to talk pricing now. So the peach palette from Belle Pierre is $17.50. The Antonym Nina lipstick is $30. The Eye of Horus Lash Lift Mascara is $38. And then the Upcircle Night Cream is $15, making this box value $97.50, which is so good. That is such a good value. It was so much better than my Vegan Cuts box for December. That was like under $30. So I am super excited to give some of these a try. Some of them not so much, but I will not be doing the Petit Vour Plus box this coming year. I'll be doing the Petit Vour, the normal box, so that I can get some new products, probably, maybe, we'll see. But that's my plan anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.